Hello friends, and welcome to my weekly beauty maintenance routine. As you guys know, this is my absolute pride and joy. I love this day of the week. So without further ado, let's dive into the ritual that literally improves my quality of life.
I do like to break down my weekly beauty maintenance routine into phases. So we're gonna have the pre-everything shower prep, the everything shower, post everything shower, the evening skincare, nails. Is that it? Oh, we're gonna gua sha, which I guess falls into the skincare category. So yeah, every single week, baby. Let's get started. My organization is still looking, oh, okay, ignore that. If you missed my last declutter with me video, we did this whole drawer. You have to watch it. It's so freaking satisfying. If you like cleaning videos, you'll die. First things first, we're gonna oil the scalp. Also, I feel like I should tell you, I just did this entire routine on Sunday. I wasn't thinking when I asked you guys what video you wanted to see this week. I decided I'm still gonna self-tan and do absolutely everything because you guys deserve the content, but I just wanted to point that out. Anyways, this is the scalp oil that I use. I will typically oil my scalp like the day before or the night before, just so it can like really get in there and do its thing. I will literally just take this and apply it directly to my scalp. I focus mostly on my hairline area and then the crown of my head. Now, typically I don't do this when I have a ponytail in, but I want to still look somewhat cute on camera. So if you're doing this by yourself and you're not filming yourself, you know, take the ponytail out because it's much better for your hair. While this oil is like marinating, doing its thing, I like to brush through my hair and just give it a little scalp massage. I've been using this brush by Spoiled Child, and what I'll do is I just brush my entire head. I do this quite a few times, and once again, usually my hair is like down and I don't have my extensions in, but for the sake of the video, we're just gonna do it this way. Once I have it brushed all the way through, I like to just go right on my hairline and I do like little circles like this, and then I brush back. Before I just go dyeing willy-nilly, I do like to shape up my brows. So I just use my little brow razor and I just clean up any little hairs that are growing that are just out of place. Now it's time to dye. Anyways, you know what I mean. I feel like this is a good time to point out that the box does not say this is used for eyes. If you're doing your lashes, please do this at your own risk, and don't get any in your eyes because I've done it before and my eye was red for like 48 hours. Don't say I didn't tell you. Ooh. If you get a little on your eyelid, just like you would with mascara, take like a little bit of soap and water on a Q-tip and just wipe it off. Let's just go ahead and take this off now. I like to use a little black makeup eraser. This is one of my favorite steps because it makes all the difference. I do not like to wear makeup all throughout the week, so having my eyebrows tinted just really makes me feel super confident. It makes me feel like very put together without having to put more makeup on. Now it is time for the last step before we get in that freaking everything shower. Dry brushing. It is now time for the everything shower. There's a lot of products that go into this. There's a lot of steps that go into the everything shower. I'm just gonna walk you through it and show the products as I go. We're gonna double wash our hair with an exfoliating shampoo. Step 2 is a nice little mask. I like to use this one by Spoiled Child. I alternate between their protein mask and their hydrating mask. While the mask is sitting, I will start to shave. For shaving cream, I was using this Truly Beauty, like whipped shaving butter. It's amazing, but I'm obviously running out of that. So I just like to use my body wash. We're just gonna be shaving the pits and the legs because I do get a Brazilian wax once a month. And then I will rinse my hair out, and then we start the exfoliating and body wash process, still using that same body wash. And I do like to use these little gloves just because they give you a little bit of an exfoliant. And then for the everything shower finale, we just double cleanse the face. This is my favorite cleanser at the moment. And I do like to use this little face scrubby that actually attaches to my toothbrush. It's so random. Obviously you can use whatever like silicone face scrubber you want to. Oh, and I use this cleanser also. This right here literally makes my skin look like glass. And I do not rave about skincare lightly. I know Truly Beauty products are a splurge, but like this is truly, oh my god. Not me using the brand name to explain it. It's truly my favorite face scrub right now, and my face just looks absolutely amazing. I feel like it stays looking great throughout the week, and it really just gets all of like the gunk out of my skin. You know, I really wish I could bring you into the shower with me, but it's not that kind of party. So I love you. I'll see you shortly. Very shortly, in fact. That is literally an extreme sport. It takes so long. I swear I burned like 100 calories in there. Anyways, now that phase 2 is done, it is time for phase 3, which is the post everything shower routine. This is where we self-tan. We do all the things, okay? First things first, we gotta do our body serums, naturally. Listen up, ladies. If you get waxes, honestly, just in general, if you shave down there or in your armpits or anywhere where you're prone to ingrown hairs, get yourself an ingrown hair treatment, okay? I was back and forth for the longest time, and honestly, it's changed my life. Ingrown hairs fucking suck, okay? Like, there's no other way to put it. So I actually got this one from my wax studio, but I will link a couple other like serums and oils that I've heard really good things about down below if you guys want to cop one of those. I put this on my bikini area every day after the shower, so today's no exception. And then usually I'll go in with a little body exfoliant serum. I'll be right back. Okay, easy peasy. Because I wait for like a decent amount of time before I start self-tanning, I do like to put a little bit of hyaluronic acid on my face just so that my face doesn't feel like it is drying up like a raisin. As you can see, I'm running out of mine. I would typically exfoliate, like do like a chemical exfoliant before I do my hyaluronic acid. I honestly am not going to do that today because like I said, I did just do this whole routine on Sunday and I do not want to over exfoliate my skin. But this is my absolute favorite chemical exfoliant for my beauty maintenance days. I know we've all seen this before. It genuinely looks like blood and I don't know why I love that, but I do. Now we whiten the teeth. I do have a snow system. That's what I'm using here. This is pretty cool because you just like plug it into your phone. And then boom. Ciao.
I am treated like a princess. People are enamored by me. I attract positivity everywhere I go.
It's self-tan time. My husband's home, he's showering. I did blow out my hair. I do that every single week just so that I'm not using a ton of heat on my hair throughout the week. I have to show you the products that I use though to blow out my hair because my hair is naturally curly. I wear it straight all the time. As soon as I get out of the shower, I use this. I just use like one pump and I work it through my roots. Another Color Wow product, I use the Dream Coat. If you have not heard of this, you're welcome. This is like a Brazilian blowout in a bottle. I just spray it all over my hair, drench my ends, drench my edges, and then when I blow dry it, I make sure that I'm using a brush and I'm blow drying it straight, and then my edges stay pretty straight throughout the week, even with sweat, even with sleeping crazy, and also my hair doesn't go crazy in the humidity, which is unheard of. It also has a heat protectant built in, which is amazing, and then I literally just straighten my hair, and then it's good for the rest of the week for the most part. But now I'm gonna self-tan, and I decided I'm not gonna do my whole body, but I do want to tell you my tips for self-tanning because I typically do self-tan my whole body every single week. Let's get a little light in here. That's better. This is the self-tanner that I use, just like Old Faithful, you know? Before I just start tanning my whole body like crazy, I do like to take some of this Osea body oil. This is the same body oil that I use every single day, like religiously. I like to put this or just some type of lotion on my hands. I get like in between my fingers, and I do the same with my feet, just so you don't get that like obvious self-tanner line. When it comes to self-tanning my hands, I always use this little makeup brush, and I make sure that I brush my hands and blend it into my wrists, and I do the same with my feet, blend it into my ankles, and then I use an actual mitt. Like I said, I'm not gonna tan today, and I wouldn't show you that on camera anyways because hello, you gotta be naked. But what I am gonna do is contour my face, so at least we can get a little something. I also don't have a single clean tanning mitt, so I just don't think that self-tanning my whole body was the move today. First thing I'm gonna do is the forehead, just exactly where you would add your contour. You girls know where to contour. Come on now. Make sure you get it into that hairline real good. This is another one of those things that's just such a slay when you're not wearing makeup. Like your face just looks snatched as soon as you wake up in the morning. It's great. Now, if you are just contouring your face and you're not doing the full self-tanner everywhere, you can like clean this up pretty easily with like another little brush or a Q-tip or even your finger. Like just make sure you rinse it off afterwards. Just like how you would with like bake powder. Just a little light contour today. I am also gonna do my jawline just slightly. This headband is just, she's going off to the wind. I'm literally getting lip filler tomorrow, so that was so unnecessary, but you know, it's fine. Now we let the tanner sit. I'll come back for the final phase where we do our evening skincare routine. And then that's a wrap, ladies. I'll see you soon. Good morning. I made a rash decision last night to sleep in my self-tanner. So here we are, it's the morning. Let's continue. First things first, I need to rinse the face. Let's let's just go straight to the serums today. What are we feeling this morning? Definitely want to use my hyaluronic acid again because we do have self tanner on and that's pretty drying. Probably gonna go in with a dark spot corrector. I really only have like this tiny little acne scar down here, which has been going away. It's like right here and right here. They've been fading because of this stuff right here. Like this is literal magic. And my Clarins double serum. For the under eyes, I'm also gonna use another Clarins product. Then of course, we have to add the snail mucin. If you have been living under a rock, then maybe you haven't heard of this, but it's worth the hype. I've been using it religiously and look at how little product is gone. Like you only need the tiniest pump of this. The way I'm literally putting snail secretions on my face. Then obviously we have to go in with our moisturizer. Listen, if you get anything from Kiehl's, let it be this eye cream. It is so luxurious. It's so moisturizing. It also looks insane under makeup as well. This Lawless Forget the Filler moisturizer, cream, whatever you want to call it. It is incredible. Also, full disclosure, I do get Botox now. I got it for the first time. I want to say probably like 8 months ago. I actually don't know how long ago it was, but the only place I get it as of now is in my forehead, which actually I wanted to talk to you guys about my annual and monthly beauty maintenance routines. So let's just get into that now. Every month I go and get my Brazilian wax, which I think I mentioned to you guys. I also get a French pedicure because I just like the way it grows out. It looks really nice and natural, and I'm just not the type of girl that likes to have a color on my toenails. I don't know, no shade if you do, it's just not my thing. And then yearly, I obviously have my lip filler appointment, as you guys know, and I did start getting Botox recently. I get it in my forehead, which it's gone right now. And I don't have any wrinkles, obviously my forehead is very smooth and I'm very happy about that, but I want it to stay. I'm 27, I'm getting to the point now where I'm doing things preventatively just to keep myself looking and feeling my absolute best for as long as I possibly can. We love a preventative product, we love a preventative procedure, if it makes sense, okay? I'm not going out and telling you to get Botox or lip filler, but from my experience, it is worth its weight in gold. My lip filler gave me the most confidence of my entire life. I literally feel like I became a different human after it. And as far as my Botox goes, not only does it keep your like forehead lines from creasing up like this, or like wherever your like fine lines are, it also shrinks your pores. It makes your makeup go on much smoother, and that's like my biggest thing. So I just wanted to pop that in there. Yeah, that's that on that. Oh, and then I also get facials. Realistically, I only get facials like once every 3 months, really whenever I'm at the spa, which is not that often. Wow, that was a long rant, but let's get back to it. I am gonna go in with my lash and brow serums. I know you guys have heard about the Grande Lash Serum, but have you heard about the Grande Brow Serum? Oops. The Grande Brow Serum. When I use this, my brows grow like crazy. They look so thick, and then when I tint them, it is like, it's amazing. It looks like I got them microbladed, but it's real brow hairs and I didn't have to spend $600. We love it. Okay, and now it is time to gua sha. I actually just recently started doing this again and I don't remember why I stopped. If it was nighttime, I would be using my castor oil on my face. I don't normally do this during the day. Thankfully, I don't have to put on any makeup today or anything. Now, I know you guys have heard of castor oil for your hair. It helps your hair grow. It's amazing, blah, 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 whatever. It's actually amazing for a lot of things I've been finding out. I listened to this girl, Anna Grace, Anna Grace. She's a podcaster, she's an influencer, she was a stylist, she's an icon. Anyways, she's very knowledgeable about like little holistic things, and she's straight up like a castor oil influencer at this point. She's been using it for everything, and she influenced me to start using it on my forehead at night because she stopped getting Botox because of this. Now, me personally, I love a little prick, love a little injection, love a little Botox. So I don't know if this is gonna replace that for me, but hey, I love a holistic method. Now, if you're not familiar with castor oil, it's very viscous. It's very thick. So I'm literally letting this drip off of the dropper because I don't even want to drop on my head. Okay, I want like this, like that's it. And I am gonna put just like a little bit more, whatever's left on this wand around my face. And thankfully, since my skin is so dry, it is sucking it right up. Now, I'm not a gua sha professional, okay? I learned this entire routine from a video. I will link the video that I use down below. Look at how much more lifted this side of my face is. Oh, you joking. That is insane. Like, this shit is magic. Stunning. Don't forget to wash your tools. I'm watching you. Okay, and now we have the nails. I had to put my hair in a braid. It was pissed me off. I'm not gonna lie. Part of me wants to stop telling you bitches about these because they are like $30 on Amazon now. Don't worry. If you go to your local CVS or Walgreens, they probably have these. I will link these for you. I think I'm gonna try to find them from the legit Kiss website because when I looked on Amazon, like I said, they were way overpriced. These should not be more than $10. Anyways, you guys know I've been freaking raving about these forever. I lost one nail yesterday and I knew I was gonna film this, so I just popped it off. These are ready to pop off. They've been on for a little over a week now. Look at how easy they just come off, but like they don't pop off on their own, you know what I mean? I'm not popping these throughout the week, and I give my nails hell. Like you guys know, I deep clean my house, I'm opening and slamming drawers, I'm opening packages, I'm doing all the things. Those nails would have lasted me 5 more days, but I figured for the video we might as well do it. But did you see how easy it was for me to pop my nails off? This is actually the best my natural nails have looked in a long time. I'm just going in with this little cuticle cutter and just touching up my nails before I pop on some new ones.
Meditation exercises, very powerful books.
The nails are done, and that was the final step. Hallelujah. It only took us an evening and a morning, you know? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I absolutely loved filming this. I usually film these for shorts, but like doing like a long form version where I could like get into the nitty gritty, explain the details, like it was long overdue. So I'm glad we could do this together. I feel like $1,000,000 and I'm ready for the week. As per usual, all the links are going to be in the description box down below. YouTube also has like this new linking feature, so I'm gonna link as much as I can with that as well, but just know I will also have the other links in my description as per usual. Before you guys leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a big ass thumbs up. Also, if you liked this video today, or if you like videos like these, definitely check out these videos. You will absolutely love them too. Anyways, I'm off. I need to feed myself, walk my dog, get my day started. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.